Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I make Cacio e Pepe, cheese and pepper. This is an Italian recipe. It originated in Rome. I grate the cheese. I put more pepper with the cheese. And I mix it. Now I will start to cook. I start to boil the water. Water is boiling. I put salt, pasta, and I leave it for about 8 minutes. I put the pepper in the pan. I switch on. I make it medium fire. I cook for about 4 minutes. The peppers start to smell very nice. I will start to put some water from the pasta. And you can see this starch. Eight minutes passed. I transfer the pasta in the pan. I switch off. Now I add the water from the pasta to the cheese and make it paste. Should be like this. I put the cream. And I mix. I put some water. Important to continue mix to make it cream. The cacio e pepe is ready to plate. The cacio e pepe ready. I put some pecorino cheese on the top. Now it's time to taste. Very, very good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, make like, leave a comment below and share with friends. See you in the next video.